as you come on, feel free to let us know who you are, where you're calling from.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can.
This is George Wilson from Boston, Mass.
Hey, George. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, I want to
Welcome.
find out this exciting news.
Yes. All right, let's get some more people on here. We're going to be starting here in just a few moments. Just want to wait for a couple of more people to jump on. And just so everyone knows, periodically we record these calls, send out a link so you can use them in your marketing. Let me check the time here. All right, let's get started. All right. I want to welcome everyone this evening. Hello, my name is Neil Guest, CEO of the Power Lead System. And tonight's going to be a lot of fun. We got some major things happening. We're working behind the scenes, making things happen. And tonight's call, it's going to run about 15 minutes or so, not counting any time for any comments or questions. So you're going to want to grab a pen and paper, not only to take some notes, but I will give you a website near the end of the call. It's a killer little sales tool that we created that you can use for your marketing. And send out an email tonight about some major announcements. So here's the deal. We've been anticipating our entire product line being rolled over through Perpetual Leverage. And when I say our entire product line, I'm going to talk about these products tonight, okay? Diamond, Platinum, Emerald, and Elite. These products are absolutely amazing, okay? We didn't just go out and get some rights to sell some cookie-cutter course. This is real, valuable information that's going to make a huge impact in your marketing and in your life. And we also have live coaching and training, which I'm going to be talking about. But we've been anticipating Perpetual Leverage. Perpetual Leverage, if you're not aware, some would argue is the most powerful compensation plan in the world. It's going to pay you a commission on every level, every leg to unlimited depth. We haven't even gotten started yet. We've barely gotten the word out. And there's already momentum happening. The word is getting out. People are getting really, really excited. And every night on these calls, I've been letting you know, hey, LGA is coming. MTI is coming. What I mean by that is we've been waiting for all of our products to be rolled over in Perpetual Leverage, not just Diamond and Platinum, which are already rolled over now as we speak. But I've got some exciting news. As of today, Lead Generation Academy is now launched through Perpetual Leverage. How exciting is that? But I've got one more announcement that you're going to absolutely love. We actually pulled this off. We actually released Master Traffic Institute into Perpetual Leverage today as well. Unbelievable. I'm going to be talking about these products, what you make on them, why this is so special, and this opportunity is like no other because no one else has this. All right? We're the only ones offering Perpetual Leverage and in a way that has never been done before. We're going to allow you to get started in Perpetual Leverage for less than $100, which I'm going to talk about. And we're going to show you a plan where you could earn $45 residual commissions on every leg, every level to unlimited depth. This is what's happening. So let me give you a little taste of what we've been doing. Members have been asking us for a decade, we love your tools, but can you please update your back office? Well, we recently just rolled out an incredible, brand new, mobile-friendly, user-friendly, easy-to-navigate back office. It was such a huge undertaking. We finally got it done. We got it released. At the same time, we've been desperately programming a very difficult compensation plan to program, and not just programming perpetual leverage, but we literally took your existing organizations in those particular products and we rolled them through perpetual leverage. This is so exciting. Now, one of the things that I want to make sure everyone's aware of, we started something brand new. Okay, if this all wasn't enough, we just rolled out a brand new training every Tuesday by two incredible marketers, Eric Green and Paul Turner. They are hosting live sessions in our official Power Lead System Facebook group. They're going to be sharing their wealth of experience. You're going to learn how to use AI in all of your marketing strategies. Video shorts. We're compiling a library of hundreds and hundreds of video shorts that they're doing. They're taking their time and putting it in there. Okay? You've got access to these video shorts right there in your back office. Just click on marketing, and there you're going to see video shorts. And like I said, this is a growing library. These are powerful. They work. They're effective. They're going to get views. They're going to get signups. It's going to help you grow your business. Tomorrow, I believe they're going to set you up on how to get a podcast going, absolutely free. There's nothing to buy here. There's no upsells, okay? Just real, valuable training that's going to help build your PLS business. And that just started. Our second one's tomorrow, so be sure and attend. It's going to start at 3 p.m. Eastern. We'll send out an email. It's right there in the Facebook group. All right, so I'm going to talk about the product line rolled into perpetual leverage. And I'm going to give you some details and what's coming, because we're working on improving the charts and how everything is displayed. It's going to be incredible. But I want to talk about, before I get into that, I just want to talk about where it all starts, because this is very exciting, our gold level membership. Our gold membership is so packed with value. There's nothing like this. Think about it. With our gold membership, you've got access to every amazing tool that we offer. You're going to be able to build entire sales funnels and then share those funnels with your team. We have members that are doing that right now. We have one member that came out of retirement, was so excited about perpetual leverage, he created, and it just got released, a brand new sales funnel. And he basically opened it up to anybody that wants to use it. That's just now launched. Very exciting. Think about that technology. That technology is life-changing. When you can build a high-converting, incredible sales funnel, turn around and then share that with anybody with just a share code, that's huge. All right? You're going to be able to create unlimited amount of sales funnels, unlimited amount of subdomains, sales pages, lead capture pages. You can promote multiple opportunities simultaneously, actually unlimited. These are the exact same tools that network marketing companies and distributors used to pay 10 grand just to access. All right? The gold membership also includes training throughout the week. I just talked about our special AI and video short training. We also offer fast start training throughout the week. These are incredible. They're going to teach you how to advertise. They're going to show you where. They're going to answer your questions. They're interactive. And it's just an incredible place to get started. So be sure you attend our next Fast Start training. We have the schedule right there in your back office when you log in. And we're also going to send you out an email to remind you before each class. Now, finally, our gold membership gives you access to a $270 marketing course called Endless Free Leads. All right? Our members swear by this because it teaches you how to use social media to create an endless supply of targeted leads. Very powerful product. All right? So the first step everyone asks is, how do I get my gold membership for free? Because that's where it all starts. Well, the great news is all you need is 3. Refer 3 and your gold membership is free because you make a $20 residual commission for every referral. So once you refer 3, not only is your gold membership free, you're actually earning a residual income. On top of that, you also earn a 50% match on all of your gold referrals. For example, you refer Joe. Joe's earning $600 per month in his gold level sales. Your matching bonus would be $300 per month. Now, if you're brand new and you're just getting started, maybe you're on a 7-day free trial, maybe you're here for 14 days for $1, I want to let you know that you're a fully qualified gold member right now. You've got access to everything I just outlined, including endless free leads. You could grab one of the funnels that we've created for you, start marketing, and have your gold membership paid for in no time. All it takes is 3, and we're going to help you. Fast Start trainings throughout the week. I'm here every night. We've got the new trainings on Tuesday. We've got a lot of support here. All right. So now let's talk about one of the most exciting things that the Power Lead System has ever launched in our 10 years in business, and that's Perpetual Leverage. I call Perpetual Leverage a mathematical miracle that pays 2 people an equal commission whenever a product is sold. But the miracle is the fact that these 2 commissions are paid out over every leg, every level through unlimited depth. And no one had ever seen or heard of this in over a decade. The last time the industry saw it was back in 2006 with a company called Global Resorts Network, and this thing went crazy. People went nuts over this compensation plan. So recently, when one of our products became outdated, I went on a mission to go out and find a replacement for that, and that's a story all by itself. I'll talk a little bit about it, but first, let's start with our Diamond package, because this is our entry-level product called Free Ad Secrets. It sells for $147 one time. This is an evergreen product that teaches you how to put together massive advertising campaigns and how to get unlimited leads for free, because this course is going to teach you how to put together these massive advertising campaigns. That's going to give you way more buying power, and since you're the one putting it all together, your share is paid for by the participants. Our members absolutely love this product. And by the way, Free Ad Secrets comes with a split pay option, which means you can get your hands on it for less than $100. Think about it. We've sold this exact product for years in a simple 2-level compensation plan. Think about it now. Every time a Free Ad Secrets package is sold, there's 2 people that earn a $50 commission each. These $50 commissions are paid out through every leg, every level, through unlimited depth. And the fact that you're able to get started for less than $100 in a compensation plan like this, it's a game changer. I mean, think about it. You can start participating in the Perpetual Leverage compensation plan for less than $100. And then we systematically offer products of higher value under the same umbrella, all offering Perpetual Leverage. Nothing like it. And I just can't stress to you enough how incredible it is to be rolling out a product in Perpetual Leverage where you can get started for less than $100. Okay, I'm going to talk about our next product because this is what started it all. This is what prompted me to go out there and find Perpetual Leverage. Recently, one of our products became outdated, so I was desperate to find a replacement. And I think I got lucky because around that time I was introduced to a gentleman by the name of Greg Davison. He's a $7 million plus earner in this industry who's been mentored and coached by some of the top copywriters in the world. Now, a short while ago, I paid Greg a small fortune to teach this email marketing course to our gold members, and the response was overwhelming. They went crazy over it. Emails were pouring in on what a tremendous effect this was having on their marketing, and they couldn't wait for each new class to begin the next week. And all the while, I'd been archiving all of it, every slide, every video, every doc. And so after it was over, I approached Greg and I asked him if I could package up his course and sell it through the Power Lead system. And thankfully, I got the thumbs up. So we've got something really special here. And I knew we had something special because I'd seen the reaction of this course. And so that's when I got to thinking, it would really do this product a huge disservice if we sold it through the same boring two-level compensation plan like everything else we had. And that's what prompted me to think about back when I had seen Perpetual Leverage a decade ago, how exciting it was, how incredible it was, how people that had never had much success working from home were having tremendous success. I'd never seen anything like it. So my mission was to go out there and find people that I knew in the past understood Perpetual Leverage. So I did. I started talking to people. I made phone calls. Finally, I was directed to a certain individual that I'd never met, never spoken to, but I reached out to him on Facebook anyway, gave him the Cliff Note version, who I was, what I was looking for, and I kid you not, it turns out that this gentleman was the actual creator of Perpetual Leverage himself. He spent time answering all of my questions, going over the charts, and at one point I finally got it. It all clicked, and I knew I had it. I had it absolutely down cold. So I knew I was going to be able to explain this to our programmer, which we did, and we got it perfect. And we're cranking. This thing is absolutely incredible. So let me talk about this product. What happens when it gets sold? Whenever a home business pro package is sold, there's two people that make a $200 commission each. And these $200 commissions are paid out through every level, every leg, through unlimited depth. Think about that. The price of this package is $497, but every product that we offer comes with a split pay option. That means you can get your hands on it right now for less than $300. There's no other product like this out there. Okay, and now for the big news of the night. Emerald. Our Emerald level package as of a few hours ago. Lead Generation Academy. Let me tell you about this product. It's one of the most powerful live and interactive coaching programs out there. It includes live mentoring and coaching each and every month. And every session is archived, which means we currently have hours and hours of some of the best must-have training available anywhere, available 24/7. And this is a growing library, creating more and more value every month. Lead Generation Academy is $105 per month. Now, it used to be only one person would make the commission. as of a few hours ago, check this out. Whenever a Lead Generation Academy package is sold, there's 2 people that make a $45 residual commission each. These $45 residual commissions are paid out over every leg, every level, through unlimited depth. And this is a first with Perpetual Leverage. There's never been a residual product released through Perpetual Leverage until now. This is so exciting. One of the things that we're working on that's not quite done yet, but obviously we're not going to wait for this to get done before we release it, but we're creating a prediction report for Lead Generation Academy. So those of you that already have a pre-existing organization, number one, you got your roll-ups back, because we used to offer this through a 2-up. There's no roll-ups in Perpetual Leverage, so everybody with an existing organization in LGA, you got your roll-ups back. Every single person you enroll goes front line. And soon we will be releasing a prediction report. And what that means is it's going to look at all the people that you're getting paid on through all your levels. And based on that, it's going to predict what your monthly commission would be as long as everybody stuck. Now check this out. We took the time and the experience of our programmer, and we were able to take everyone's existing organization in LGA and take that and roll it into Perpetual Leverage. One of the things that's so exciting, and one of the things I'm going to encourage every single person on this line who already has an existing organization in LGA, go to your downline report. Notice that every single person that's ever purchased Lead Generation Academy in your organization is listed there, whether they're active or not, whether they're active in the Power Lead System or not. We give you their name, their email address, their phone number. So why in the world wouldn't you at least start making phone calls or sending emails to the inactive people on at least your first and second levels? All you have to do is just go look at your report. All that data is there. It tells you who's active, who's not, and it's going to show you how many levels you're qualified down through. Absolutely incredible. So these charts are getting updated. They're going to be crystal clear. And you guys are going to love that prediction report. All right. And by the way, I am going to be opening up the lines in just a little bit. So be ready for that. Our final package, our elite level package called Master Traffic Institute. Hours ago, this product was released through one of the most powerful compensation plans ever created. This is going to be a game changer. This massive package was assembled by some of the top income earners of the Power Lead System, creating the ultimate training package. The link I'm going to give you in just a little bit, it gives you a product description of all of our products, but I would encourage you to go look at the massive amount of content included inside Master Traffic Institute. Okay, it's going to be on this website that I'm going to give you in a few minutes. Take some time to look over the products. Everything that I've just mentioned here, the product descriptions, the compensation plan, the Perpetual Leverage Pay Plan video, all of it is jam-packed on this page. So it creates a great little marketing tool, and it's a great educational tool as well. But Master Traffic Institute sells for $14.97, and by the way, yes, it has a split pay option as well, so you can get your hands on it for about half that. And whenever an MTI package is sold, there's 2 people who make a $500 commission each. And these $500 commissions are paid out over every leg, every level through unlimited depth. And we're just getting started. Nobody else has anything like this. All right, who's ready for this great little marketing tool website that we created just for you. Grab a pen, paper, write this down. startpls.com/your username. Again, that's startpls.com/your username. And again, that's going to go over everything that I've just outlined. All the commission totals, amounts, the product, descriptions, pay plan video. It's got testimonials on there. And we've got this cool feature with the testimonials. It's not that they're all listed down the page. They're actually in this little scroll box. So you can scroll through the testimonials. Pretty cool. One last time, that's startpls.com/your username. Now, some more things that we created for you to help you market. If you log in and click on marketing, you're going to notice one of the submenus is called Done For You Funnels. Those are 100% complete. They're ready to go. All you have to do is just go there, grab your link, and start sharing it. How do you know where and how to share it? Well, it's easy. Just attend our Fast Start training. Those are throughout the week. They're going to help you. You're going to be able to ask questions. Don't forget about tomorrow's training. This is incredible, valuable information. It's effective. It's already having an effect on people's marketing. I heard a testimonial today about someone who had a pretty small list, and the engagement they got from sending out one of these shorts was overwhelming. This stuff works. So get involved. Get plugged in. All right. What I'm going to do now, before we wrap it up and I give you your action steps for after the call, I'm going to go ahead and open up the lines. Here we go. Okay. *6 if you have a question or comment.
Hey, Neil.
Hello.
Yes, Neil, this is Ricardo from Jersey.
Hi, Ricardo. Thanks for being here.
All right, quick question. Now, I have diamond. I have the diamond package, the platinum package, and the gold package, but why can't I sign into my diamond package?
Do you have the page that gives you access to it?
Yes, and it keeps saying that my username, because it says free ad secrets, but it's not letting me log in. I'm using my
Okay, well, here's what I suggest that you do. Because what we did, we took all of our products, and recently we rolled them all over from an older technology to brand new servers, better blogs and everything, all updated stuff. So what you may have to do, because he tried to bring over all the data, but what you may have to do is just register again from scratch, using new info, and then just go from there. So if you're not able to log in with what you know as your login details, just register again.
Okay, but I already paid for it, so am I going to be charged again for it?
No, registering, that doesn't mean you pay for it. That just means you log in, you click on the icon that shows you that product, right? And it's going to bring you to a page. It's going to say, click here to register, or click here to access it, to log in, sorry. And all you're doing is you're just, just deciding what username you want, you're giving it your email address, that kind of stuff. That's what I mean by registering.
Okay, no problem. I got you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
All right.
All right. *6, any questions or comments? All right. Feel free to. Oh, hello there.
Hey, this is Albie. How you doing tonight?
Hey, Albie, thanks for being here. Doing great. Thanks.
Awesome. I just wanted to let you know I seen that table that you're talking about with all the phone numbers of your current and your past members and gold members and so forth. And actually, I couldn't believe it when I saw it because that's the first time I've ever seen it. And I said, holy cow, I said, all these people I can call now.
Absolutely, yeah. We give you all that information. So yeah, the other products didn't really matter. Like, what would it matter to call someone that had already purchased, for example, Home Business Pro or Social Profit? What would that really matter? Because you're not making any more commissions. But it's different. It's a whole different animal with Lead Generation Academy, because that's a residual product. So if you were to get someone back in that was already paying for it, based on everything we're doing, that's going to make a big difference, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really, really awesome. I really appreciate that.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me actually open up the lines.
Hey, Neil.
All right. Yes, go ahead.
This is Ernest.
Hey, Ernest. Thanks for being here.
I just wanted to jump in and let you know I'm feeling a whole lot better, because I've got people in my old team. I've been with y'all for about 7+ years. They're coming back out of the woodwork, and I'm making commissions. I don't know where they're coming from, but I say, oh, okay. So I get on the phone. I look at this list of people in our projection list. I just pick up the phone and call them and say, hey, guys, you remember back when you signed up and you bought this? Well, you dropped out, but you can come back. It doesn't cost you anything to get back in. You've already got an account. Just get in there and get her done. And they're coming back. So, yeah, call your old team members, and when you get your new gold signed up, just ask them. I said, what's the difference between $20 and $200? You want to just sit there and stick your toe in there for $20 a month, or do you want to make $200 commission? I said, there's an extra $180. Quit. Don't just stick your toe in the water. Just get in there and jump in. And that's what it's what's been happening for me. So I just wanted to pass that on to everybody else.
Thank you so much, Ernest, and I'm glad you're feeling better.
Yeah. Call them up. Leave them a voicemail if you need to. Send them an email. Send them a text. Do whatever you need to do to get them going. Yeah, just follow the three-step process. That's all I have to say.
Okay. Thanks, Ernest.
You bet.
Appreciate that. All right. I actually opened up the line, so if you just wanted to just have a question real quick before we wrap it up, this is your last chance. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you your call to action as we wrap up tonight's call. All right, here's your call to action as we wrap up tonight's call. Step 1, log in, get started with Perpetual Leverage, okay, at whatever level or levels you're able to. At the very least, log in and purchase free ad secrets. Think about it. Moving forward, we're going to be talking about free ad secrets on the Fast Start trainings as well as these nightly calls. The last thing you want is a sorry you just lost a commission email in your inbox because you didn't own that product. And to be honest with you, not participating in Perpetual Leverage when you've got an entry point of less than $100, that really is a huge mistake, okay? So be sure that doesn't happen to you. Log in and purchase free ad secrets tonight. Step 2, grab that website I gave you and or click on Marketing Done For You funnels, grab your link from one of those funnels, start sharing it. All right? Sound like a plan? All right, that's going to be it for tonight. I sure want to thank everyone for being here. Remember, I'm going to be back here tomorrow, So be sure and have some guests on that call, okay? Make it your mission. I'll be looking forward to meeting your guests. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great night. See you tomorrow. Good night.